checking out the map before I go to bed, and I noticed they had a pretty good sized one for this area over here. It's a 5.6, kind of deep though, 114 miles deep. And then I noticed Fukushima up here. It seems they had a 5.9, and it was 22 miles deep. 23. You can tell by the distance here, it was probably about less than 100 miles from Fukushima Daiei. And then clicking on Did You Feel It? We'll scroll down here, and it looks like they had 12 responses so far in 10 cities. You can see here where the locations are. Somebody did report it up here where the big mess is, and it just happened. So they'll probably have some more responses coming in. And I noticed Alaska they had a little swarm going up here, and then south by New Zealand they had this 5-pointer, 43 kilometers deep, and then right below it they had this 5.2, and that was only 14 kilometers deep. Everybody have a good weekend coming up. Aloha.